let's find the value of t in this equation. We are given 3t divided by root 2t equals 90. What is the value of t? Solution. Okay, given 3t divided by root 2t is equals to 90. Alright, first, we are going to use two methods to solve this. First method, we are going to square both sides. Alright, to square both sides, I will have 3t divided by 2t root 2t all raised to power 2 is equals to 90 all raised to power 2. Good. So we now have 90 raised to power 2 divided by, here, this root 2. These two will cancel this square root sign. We are now going to have 2t. This is equals to 90 raised to power 2 is same as 9 raised to power 2 multiplied by t raised to power 2, which is 81 t raised to power 2. But we have t here. This t, one of it will cancel this. We have only one t, okay, divided by 2. So we can now have 90 divided by 2 is equals to 81 t squared. There is invisible one here. Let's cross multiply. When we cross multiply, we have 90 multiplied by 1 is equals to 81t raised to power 2 times 2. 90 times 1 will give you 90. This is equals to 81 multiplied by 2 will give you 162t raised to power 2. The equation is now in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. That is quadratic equation. For more on quadratic equation, factorization method, completing the square, formula method, and other method of solving quadratic equation, please check my previous lessons, part 1, part 2, and part 3. Alright, so rearranging this equation, I will have 162 t raised to power 2. Then 90 crossing equality sign will be minus 90. Then plus 0 equals 0. Okay? Here now, c is 0. 90 is the middle term. 162t squared is ax squared t. Now, let's factorize. Factorizing 162t squared minus 90 equals 0. We have 90 brackets 81t minus 1 is equals to 0. So that 90 times 81 will still give you 162t squared. 90 times minus 1, you still have 90 equals to 0. Alright, so 90 is equals to 0. So that t will be 0 divided by 9, which is 0. That is t1 is equals to 0. Okay, from here now we have 81t. So 81t minus 1 is equals to 0. This means 81t is equals to 1. Okay? So that t will give us 1 divided by 81. That is t2. So therefore t2 is 1 divided by 81. Okay, now second method. Let's check second method. Pay attention. You have 3t divided by root 2t is equals to 9t. Okay, we are going to multiply root 2t divided by 9 to both sides. Multiply root 2t divided by 9t to both sides. Okay. Alright, so we now have to both sides, okay? 3t divided by root 2t Then multiply it by root 2t over 90 equals 90 multiplied by root 2t over 90. So this one can cancel. 90 can cancel 90. Root 2t can cancel root 2t. I will now have 3t over 90 is equals to root 2t. Good. This t can go. I will have 1 over 3 is equal to root 2t. Alright. Now, let's take the square of both sides. Okay? Square both sides. 1 over 3 all raised to power 2 is equals to root 2t all raised to power 2. These 2 here can cancel the radical sign. So 1 raised to power 2 is 1 divided by 3 raised to power 2 is 9. Okay, this is equals to 2t. So how can we find t now? Let's just finish it up here. Now, how can we find t? This is simple. You have 2t, okay, is equal to 1 over 9. Divide through by 2. So I will have 2t divided by 2 is equals to 1 over 9 divided by 2 over 1. Good. So these 2 can cancel. I will have t is equals to 1 over 9 multiplied by, because we want to change this division to multiplication, we take the inverse of this 2 over 1, which is 1 over 2. Okay? Which can now give us 1 times 1 is 1. 9 times 2 is 18. Therefore, t is equal to 1 over 18. That is the value of t in this equation. So both using step 1. So both method 1, just simply squaring both sides. Okay, cross multiply and arrange it to form quadratic equation. This is quadratic equation. Okay, quadratic equation. So this is quadratic equation. After you factorize, okay, you factorize it and find both the first value of t and the second value of t. And we are making use of this first value of t. We don't want to use t1 as 0. Rather, we are using t2 as 1 over 18. Second method, confirmed it. Okay, just simply multiply root 2t divided by 90 to both sides. Okay, by so doing, this root 2t will cancel root 2t. Then 3t will divide 90 and you will have 1 over 3. 1 over 3. Square both sides and make t the subject of the formula. You still have the value of t as 1 over 18. Thank you. For more on initial equation, please check my previous lessons. Thank you. Consider subscribing with this lesson. Consider subscribing. If you still have another method to solve this, share it in the comment section. Check our previous lessons also on circle geometry. Check our previous lessons on circle geometry, differentiation, etc.